Hey beauties, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you 10 hairstyles using hair sticks, which I absolutely adore. But if you don't have hair sticks, you can use 2 pencils instead or 2 small makeup brushes. Let's start with our first hairstyle. Gathering all your hair into a very low ponytail, you want to twist it downwards. Then wrap this twisted section around your stick. Twist the stick with this section and bring it through the hair from the scalp and through the bun. Done! For the next one, we want to select our top crown section, divide it into 3 and begin a simple French braid. Basically, you divide it into 3 and you cross side strands over the middle one. Then, before crossing, you want to add more hair to the side sections and bring it over your middle one. You want to continue these steps over and over again. You add hair to the side section and bring it over your middle one, like that, until you have no more hair to add. Then you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. If you want, you can pull a little bit your braid to make it fuller and voluminous. If your hair is thicker than mine, this definitely will look even more nicer. Now you want to roll your braid up like I'm showing. Grabbing your stick, you want to bring it through the bun and through the hair from the scalp and through the bun again, and repeat with your second stick or pencil or small makeup brush. For the next one, grab our hair like into a low ponytail. Then you want to twist it around your fingers, wrap the ends around the base, and then bring it up. Now, grabbing your stick, you want to bring it through the hair from the scalp, through the base and over and through the bun again, like that. For the next one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections, like that. Now you want to make with each of them 2 super simple 3-strand braids. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. Pull it if you want to make your bun fuller, voluminous looking, like that. So you repeat with section left to make the same 3-strand braid and tie it with a clear elastic. Pull it a bit. Now you want to grab your stick and bring it through the top, through the hair like I'm showing. Now grabbing one of the braid, bring it up, wrap it around your stick like I'm showing, creating a bun. You can loosen a little bit your braid to bring it through the stick like I'm showing. So basically you'll feel how to wrap it around. My hair basically stays like that in place, but if you want to secure better your bun, you can use another hair stick. For the next one, we want to grab our hair like in a low ponytail, wrap the ponytail around it, and then you want to twist twice this section with the stick. Bring it up and through your hair like that. This is kind of French twist. If you don't feel it secure, you can use another stick. You just crisscross basically your hair stick to secure your bun in place, like that. Next, gathering again your hair into a low middle ponytail. You want to tie it with a clear elastic first. Then, divide these sections into two and create a row braid. Basically, twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. Now you want to bring up your braid and through the elastic, wrap the ends around it, especially if your hair is longer than mine, and tuck her into the elastic the ends. You can leave it like that, but I added a scrunchie. Then you want to grab this loop and bring it over your elastic or scrunchie like I did. Grab your stick and bring it into the opening from one side. Bring it through the hair until reaching opposite side of the opening, like that. For the next one, we want to select from one side a section of hair. I like to leave my bangs out like that. Divide it into three and begin a simple Dutch braid. So basically, a Dutch braid is the same French braid, but instead of twisting your hair over your middle section, you want to twist it under your middle section. Then you want to add more hair to the side section and bring your hair under your middle section, like that. So you want to continue these steps. You add hair to the side section, then grabbing this two, you want to bring it under your middle section to the opposite side and repeat it on other side. So you want to continue basically these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. But as you can see, I'm making my braid diagonal. When you reach your opposite side, you want to grab this section and twist it before bringing it under your middle strand. This way, you'll secure your side sections to look nice and beautiful in the front as well too. When you have no more hair to add, you want to pull a little bit of braid, or you can do this at the end. I like to do it now. So then you want to finish your braid with a super simple 3-strand braid. Tie the ends with a clear elastic, pull it to make it voluminous. Bring it up under your braid and hide the ends inside, like so. Now you want to grab your hair stick, bring it through the bun created to secure it well in place, like I'm showing. If you don't feel that your hairstyle is well secured, you can use another hair stick. Next, gathering all the hair into a low ponytail like that. You want to twist it, creating a super simple bun. You want to make an opening through this construction. You create a pocket and bring this bun into it. Then you want to cover it, bring these sides together, and then using a stick you want to stick those sides together. Then you want to use your second stick to secure everything in place, and done. Next, you want to make a low ponytail using an elastic. Then you want to twist your hair up, then bringing your finger through it, you want to twist it like that and secure it. And you want to secure it with your finger first and then wrap the ends around it. And then you want to make the same thing on opposite side but downwards this time. Wrap the ends around the base, then grabbing a stick, you want to bring it through these openings where your fingers are. If you need, you can use another hair stick to fix everything nicely together like that. For the next one, you want to tie your hair into a low ponytail using a clear elastic. Make an opening again, creating a pocket. You want to bring all this hair into the pocket like I'm showing. Bring these sides together like that, and grabbing a stick you want to sew them together like I'm showing. This is so secure and nice. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite, and tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see more on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!